we really did not expect even the first award. And then having another one, it is really surprising and overwhelming. Even though it's our first time attending an international award event, we have 2 awards and we were able to perform earlier. So we're very thankful to everyone, especially to AAA for having this, an opportunity for everyone to show their talent. So thank you so much, 18. And of course, all the artists here, thank you so much.
Magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. Opo, tama po. Magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. Maraming salamat po ulit para sa pagkakataon po na ito na makapag-perform kami sa inyong harap. At noon po, pangarap lang po namin ang makapag-release ng kanta. Pero ngayon, nasa harap niyo na po kami at tumatanggap ng award. At syempre para po sa buong community ng Filipino music. And of course po sa aming A-team, sa aming pinakamamahal na A-team, maraming salamat sa walang sawang suporta, sa pagmamahal, sa pagtsatsaga at sa pag-aantay sa amin. Inuulit po namin itong award na to hindi lang para sa amin, para sa ating lahat to. And of course, we're very honored to represent and to showcase the Filipino music all around the world. Muli kami po ang SB19, maraming salamat.